The Reports tab allows users to generate report on the activity of their units. These reports can be presented in the form of tables and graphs. By default, WemoFleet has created a few report templates. To generate a report, select the template from the drop-down list. Similarly, you may also select a template from the list below. After selecting the template, you are then required to select the object. The choice of the object depends on the template selected. You may choose a unit or a unit group as the object to generate the report for. You are also able to select more than one object by clicking on Add Object. You may then select the time interval for the report. Once done, click Execute to generate the report. Once a report has been generated, you will be able to see the report results. Depending on the template, there may be several contents in the report. You may select the breakdown by clicking on it. The report generated can also be exported as a PDF or Excel, downloaded as a zipped folder, or printed. If you feel that the templates provided are insufficient for your use case, you may create a new report template or edit any existing templates. To create a new template, click New, and a window will appear. To set it up, name the template, and select the type of report template that you would like to create. In this example, the unit type will be selected. In the Contents section, you may choose to generate a table, a chart, or statistics in the report. To generate a table in the report, click on New Table, give it a name, and select the type of table. In this example, the eco-driving type of table is selected. Under the Columns section, you may tick the fields that you would like to include in the report. In the Settings section, you may further customize the table to your preference. Once the table has been set up, click OK. In order to generate a chart in the report, click on New Chart. Key in the name, and select the type of chart. In this example, the regular type of chart is selected. Under the Data section, tick the fields to be included in the report. To further customize the chart, you may do so under the Settings section. Once the chart has been set up, click OK. Another type of information that you may include in your report is the statistics of the report. To include it, click Statistics and tick the fields that you would like to be included in the statistics of your report. Once you are done, click OK. To save the report template, click OK. You may view the report that you have created by clicking Execute and the report will be generated. Under the Settings section, you may choose to customize your report by enabling or disabling the items available. You may also further edit the details, information, and behavior of those items by expanding them. These settings will change the characteristics of the report. Under Description, you may type out a text, which will be displayed in the tooltip of the report template when you hover your mouse over the template. As for General, you may configure the general formatting of the report and to activate additional options. By enabling the map output, you may select the information that you want to display on the map when the report is generated. You may also decide to show the track and geofence on the map, as well as enabling the heat map that is a graphical representation of data in color. It depicts areas generating the most data and areas that don't. Additionally, in the Markers section, you may select the type of markers to be displayed on the map, enable the marker numbering, and configure the filtration for the markers. You may also specify the format for the address information in the Address section. To do so, select and arrange the order of the address element to your preference. For instances when the exact addresses are not available, you may choose to use geofences for addresses. If you would like to configure your reports to be more time-specific, you may utilize shifts. By enabling shifts for your report, you may execute a report by taking into account only the data recording during the shift. Depending on the type of report, you may choose to bind your report template to a specific object. By binding a template and an object together, the report template will exclusively be for the objects that are bound to the template. In other words, your report can only be executed for the objects that you have chosen to bind to the template. For the unit type of report, you may bind the report to a unit or a unit group. To bind or unbind, Select the object and click Add or Remove respectively. Once you have everything set up, click OK to save the report template. To edit a report template, click Template Properties and make the changes to the template as you require. On the other hand, you may create a copy or delete a template. To do so, click Copy Reports Template or Delete Report Template.